Hey guys, this is Reverend Sean over at the Center Path, and we're going to go over cultivation of the mind, which cultivation of the mind is exactly the same as cultivating a yard or a garden. So stick with me on this. We're going to talk about getting the soil ready or evaluating the soil first. That's our initial mind when we start meditation process. A lot of people say that they can't meditate because of whatever reason, and it usually has to do with the same kind of reasons that we would have if we were putting in a little lawn. Now this used to be all this 12-foot square circle right here, and a little under the tree I have my little Buddha statue, and I have some other things going on here in the yard. But the original area of this was all just sticker burrs and weeds and dandelions and things I didn't want here. I wanted a grass pad so you could come out here and lay down in the sun or in the afternoon and lay on your back, look at the sky through the rustling leaves, and enjoy the day. And it's occurred to me that it's exactly the same because we talk about cultivating the mind. We're cultivating a plot. What we're doing here is we're taking this bad earth that we had here. We took out all the rocks. That's one of the things we have to do. We had to evaluate to see what kind of thing, how much was going on here, how much work we had to do. We had to do a lot of cutting back. We had to do a lot of preparing the soil. And this is our important and the same as we do in our meditation practice. What is preparing the soil? Preparing the soil is just evaluating yourself, understanding that you want to do something like this, taking a little bit of time to learn about your soil or your brain or your mind and the way it works or the way it doesn't work and how much you got to do. Now this used to be all full of weeds completely, and so that would be like all unskillful or bad thoughts. We're slowly pulling out the rotten ones or the ones we don't want, and we're leaving the ones we do want, promoting those to continue and fill in the spaces. That's what meditation does. So step one, set your space. Where do you want to meditate? Right? Meditate anywhere you can. Do it daily or at least every other day, maybe a few minutes. This took me a few weeks to do because I only spent like 15 minutes, 10 minutes at a time at this. I had to tear out all the old stuff,